In this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Roku Express without using any remote. So first of all, we need to locate where our Roku is. It's this little thing, and we need to take it, and behind it, where the cable are, you can see this gap right here, which says reset right under it. Now take something that can fit inside this. It can be needle, anything, even the needle for the phone, where you take the SIM card out. Stick it in there and just press it for a few seconds until the screen turns off. And we can actually let go of it after this logo is visible. And our device already restarted, and now let's wait till it turns on. So it's ready, we can already set it up. So first pick the language, I'm gonna use English. Next thing is to take the Wi-Fi network which you're gonna use, and you can of course scan again if you don't see any. I'm just gonna pick that one. I know the password for it, so it's a good choice. Now let's enter the password. And here, after entering password, we can connect. And here should be wireless connection, everything's perfect. Now we'll move to the email verification, no, auto detect display. So we press on it and it will automatically detect how your HDMI, everything about your screen. And now I'm gonna press use automatic, because everything looked good for me. You can change the settings, of course. And here I can confirm that yes, the screen looks good. Now you'll need to enter the password, email address. So if you're doing it for the first time, you can of course choose a new email, but if you already had the Roku, you can use the other email that you had on this account, and some of the channels might be restored with it. So I'm gonna use the one I already had. And continue. So right now the account activation link was sent to this email that we just entered, and right now we will need to go and activate our account on our email address. So you can go to PC, you can do it on your phone. Just go to your email address, activate the account. If it's for the first time, you will need to do more steps than a normal thing without already existing account, like giving your debit card, entering its details and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'll be right back in. Now we can press OK, and we'll be moved to our home screen, where we can access any channels and use the Roku normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.